welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a combination of different brands. I'm going to haul for you some items so that you can keep your eyes peeled for when Black Friday sales are on. Pretty much from now, to be honest with you, a lot of these stores are already promoting savings, so there is so much money to be saved at this time of year that it is probably my favorite time of the year. So I have things to show you from Asos, Misguided, PrettyLittleThing, M&S. I have a lot to show you. But before I get into showing you all the items that I have recently been picking up, I did want to firstly thank TopCashback for very kindly sponsoring today's video. If you've never heard of TopCashback before, it is a cashback service online that you can use via their website. It's super simple and easy to do. You sign up completely free of charge. It is such an easy sign up process so that you can start saving more money and shopping savvy. So if you do want to sign up, I will leave a link in the description box. And by clicking on that link and signing up, if you're a new user, you will get a £15 bonus when you spend over £15. So for me personally, I've actually used TopCashback for years and it has been a while, so I was fully aware of the brand, how it operated. I didn't need to play around with the website. I know exactly how it works. It's so easy. It's a win-win situation. It's one of those things that when you're shopping online anyway, especially now, most of us are doing our shopping online for Christmas. All you need to do is head to that website, TopCashback, and search their retailers to see if the retailer that you are shopping on is on TopCashback. If it is, all you've got to do is one extra click through via the TopCashback website, which takes you straight to the retailer that you were shopping, and it's cashback into your account. They have thousands of brands. Every single brand that I'm sharing with you in today's video is on TopCashback. There are varying offers that they do and promotions to save even more money. Each retailer has different sort of percentages that go up and down, so it's worth just checking back every day. And like I said, it's just one of those things that if you're shopping online on a website anyway, just see if it's on TopCashback. If it is, click through that and you're getting cash back into your account. As you can see here by going through the M&S, they had a particular offer on for 15% new customers. Having never signed up to M&S before, I managed to save that. And what I really like about TopCashback is that there is no minimum payout amount. So when you get cash back into your account, you can withdraw it straight away. There's no need to wait until it hits a certain amount before you can withdraw any money. So we've saved over £1,700, so plenty to do your Christmas shopping. Maybe even you just want to treat yourself. So if you want to check it out, don't forget to click that link in the description box and save yourself an extra £15 bonus when you spend £15 or more. And without further ado, let's get into the haul and showing you some of the items that I have picked up recently. I'll leave them linked below if you want to shop any of them yourself, and let's get into it. So I'm going to start with Marks and Spencer's. I picked us up, myself and Tom, some Christmas pajamas. Now, it's gonna take a bit of convincing to get Tom to wear this, I'm not gonna lie. Don't know if I'm going to be successful or not, but because of the quality of it, I'm hoping that he'll wear them. So these are the ones that I got. This is the top. Inside are the bottoms. I got them in an extra large to be nice and comfy on him. Nice drawstring waist to be able to cinch in. And they do actually have this set in like the full family matchy type sets. They've got like baby, kids, and the women's wear as well. Now I just went for the menswear option. I thought it might be a bit too much for him if I whack out matching pajamas. So I picked myself up this pair from M&S. Now this one says 360-degree stretch. It is super soft and really good quality. It's almost like weighty as well, it's really nice. So this is the hoodie, and I quite like the fact that it comes with a little hoodie, just for all the more cozy comfort. Just a really pretty kind of oatmeal colour with a star and moon crescent design, which is a bit more subtle for Christmas PJs than some of the other designs. In fact, it's more subtle than the ones I got for Tom. So, and then these are the bottoms that I got. So I got this set in a UK 10. Again, these ones come with a little drawstring waist so you can cinch it right in. They come with pockets as well and little cuffed bottoms. I just love the quality of these. They're not the cheapest Christmas PJs, but the quality of them, I really think it's important on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day / night, once you've finished all of the turkey, the trimmings, the cheese boards, the puddings, to have a really nice luxe quality pair of loungewear / pajamas. I think it's important to invest in a new pair each year, just to have all the more exciting feeling to wear it on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. I'm gonna move on to, where should I go? I'll go Asos next. These have only just arrived, so I haven't tried any of these on yet, but we'll see what they're like. Oh, I love this. Okay, so I've been loving that trend of a white shirt dress with like a knit vest over the top, layered. So I got this one from And Other Stories. So And Other Stories is a little bit more premium, but you get really good quality. So this was, I think it was about £55. In fact, there's no point in me even telling you price points in this video, because there's a good chance that if you click on the link, it's not going to be the price that I tell you, it'll be less. So anyway, this is the first knit vest that I picked up, because I did pick up a couple of more to try out within this video. This is like a cable knit design, and it is cropped in comparison to the other ones that I've got, so there will be more of the shirt dress on show. I got it in a medium, that one. Next up is a super soft rib knit jumpsuit, and this is one that reminded me of the one that Ellie Darby has sold on her website in her collection, the oatmeal coloured one. I really wanted to get my hands on. When I went to shop it, sold out, which I'm not surprised. But anyway, I saw this one on Asos and it reminded me of that. So again, that kind of nice loungewear, comfy vibes, but in a full-on jumpsuit is quite kind of, it's not dressy, but it's a bit more put together. This is the jumpsuit. Just trousers on the bottom, and then it's got this tie waist detail to cinch in just under your bust to help give you a waist. The rest of it's wide leg, super flowy and comfortable. I wanted to try something from the Collusion range that Asos do. I think it's like unisex. So I got this khaki green, almost a washed colour, which I love. And it also has this paneling along the sleeves and the body of this kind of like toweling fabric. So just something a little bit different than your box standard hoodie. And the fact that I got this in a large means that me and Tom could probably just share this. I quite like wearing his hoodies and stuff anyway. Like, this is a men's large. I just like the oversized comfy kind of fit of that. I feel like I need to decide between the two on this one, because they're kind of similar, and this one too is from the Collusion range. Actually, they're very different, so maybe I'll keep both, we'll see. This one is more of a fleecy kind of hoodless jacket. So it's got a little zip up here, and it is obviously in more of a beige kind of nude colour. But yeah, that fleecy kind of fabric is what this one is made out of. So it is nice and soft and comfy. Now this one was in female sizes, so a UK 14 this one was. They did have a 10, but I wanted it that oversized fit to wear with leggings on a day-to-day basis. Which one do you prefer, the fleecy kind of hoodless or the khaki green hoodie? Let me know. Okay, the last things that I got from Asos are part of the Asos design, and it's a mix and match set. So I pretty much got every piece from the set to try them all out and see which ones I like best. They're all in this cream colour. The bottoms that I got are firstly these joggers, nice and oversized, and then the drawstring is actually like a hidden one on the inside. A little bit of an Asos own branding there on the front. Essential wear, it says, in a 10, UK 10. Does have pocket details and little cuffed bottoms. I also got bottoms wise these little shorts, which I love. I can see myself sleeping in these. I feel like they'd be a nice lounge wear. They almost look like men's boxers. These ones I also picked up in a UK 10. And then the last pair of bottoms, I think these ones are my favourite, are these. Again, same kind of waistband as the little shorts are, but they're like a wide leg trouser in that same fabric, so it's a really lightweight one, this one is. I again got that one in a 10. And the tops that I got, the first one being this little t-shirt, which I love. It's that same fabric as the shorts and the trousers, and it's a little kind of cropped t-shirt. Love that. And then this top would probably be best with the joggers if I were to keep them as a loungewear set, because this is a slightly thicker fabric, the same as the joggers. I quite like that neckline. This one is again in a UK 10. I like the fact that you can mix and match them. So that is everything that I picked up from Asos. I'll move on to Misguided next. And the first thing that I can see are these beautiful satiny PJs. Again, perfect for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day pajamas. I feel like one of these sets is going to be my Christmas Eve pajama set, and the other one is going to be my Christmas night evening pajamas, because why not? Let's get 2 pairs this year. So yeah, these ones are far more like kind of silky, satiny, sexy kind of PJs in this beautiful nude color. So that is the top, button down kind of shirt style top, and then the bottoms are just wide leg in the exact same fabric with the black piping along the bottom. Let me know which ones I should wear on which day. I got them in a UK 12, sized up just to be a little more comfortable. And then I also got this loungewear set from Misguided. It's in this nice neutral beige. God, I'm so boring. I liked this set because the top has the padded shoulders, that kind of muscle fit style that I have been loving. So I could totally wear this top separate to the set and wear it more with jeans or leather leggings. And then the joggers that come with it are in UK 12. I got these in. Again, they've got a drawstring waist, so I can cinch that in, so that should be fine. And they actually have a little slit at the front, which is again another trend that I've seen quite a lot recently. It also has the piping detail along the front, which I think is a really slimming effect. And this next one is that same kind of padded shoulder design, but much dressier, because this top is actually made from like a faux leather, so it feels really luxe. This one is in a UK 10. I really like this, and just to have that element of luxe when it comes to the actual fabric of this makes it different and something a bit more dressy. So it's also got a hidden zip at the back. Okay, then I've got 2 outerwear pieces. The first one is this grey blazer. Now it does, I think it describes itself as a blazer coat or something like that, where it's definitely intended for more outdoor purpose. So I knew this was going to be a bit of a thicker, more expensive feeling fabric, and it's like a wool fabric. So it does feel quite nice to wear this outdoors as a coat, but it looks smarter. So you could dress it down with maybe, I love layering hoodies under blazers, maybe a black hoodie under this one with black skinny jeans and heeled boots would look really nice. Or rather than a hoodie, maybe like a high polo neck in black. And I think they had other colours as well available. And then the last thing that I got from Misguided, I got in a UK 10, and it is the ultimate coat of coats when it comes to long countryside walks. It basically is a duvet in a coat. So it is hooded as well, which is definitely an element I wanted to keep my eyes peeled for, because I wear this one coat, this green khaki one, which was, it's a couple of years old now, and it's from Misguided as well actually. But the hood is so big, and like, oh, when you put it up, you can't even see the world. It's so nice and cozy on the inside that I knew I wanted to get my hands on another one from Misguided, because I know the quality is the best. So it's a hidden zip, so you can actually zip it up, and then it's got these popper buttons to cover it. Hood with the drawstring as well, and it is quilted, and it's quite long. So it is a duvet in a coat. Okay, the last few items that I got recently are from PrettyLittleThing, so I will show you them. I've just remembered as well, though, I put in an order yesterday through TopCashback on Miss Pat and also Nasty Gal. So what I will do is, because they're not here to show in this video, I'll probably show some bits over on my Instagram accounts in the lead up to Black Friday, over Black Friday. Show some of my favourite finds, my new recent finds, try them on and everything, give swipe up links. So if you want to keep up to date with more Black Friday sales, be sure to find me over on Instagram at freyafarrington1. But yeah, the last few items that I have now from PrettyLittleThing are what I was talking about earlier, that shirt, dress and vest style that I like and want to try and recreate myself. So PrettyLittleThing have this plain and simple white shirt dress, not too much going on, which is exactly what I wanted, just nice and simple, quite long as well, so that you can layer up that vest and it not kind of crop the shirt too short. Paired with some nice chunky boots as well, a trend yet again that I am loving. I feel like they make your legs look thinner. Just a little tip for you there. So the shirt I sized up to a 12. I'm usually a 10, but I did want, again, just to make sure that I have the length with this. So the two vest options I picked up from PrettyLittleThing are these two. They're the exact same style, but one is black, and then I also picked up the, I want to say khaki green, but it's really dark, so it's more of like an army green. But anyway, I got the green one in a small to medium. Oh, and then the black one's in a small to medium as well. Okay, so I went small to medium on both of them. These are the next two items that I got, the khaki and the black. Let me know which one you prefer. I think they had other colours in that available as well. And then the last and final item, or I'm going to say set for this one, from PrettyLittleThing is this. And it's actually more active wear, which I'm intending on wearing maybe for like a long walk. Sometimes it's quite nice to wear active wear, even though you're not going for a run or anything. But you know, it can be quite tiresome if you're going for a nice long walk. So to wear active wear, I quite like doing that. And you feel comfortable without wearing like jeans or anything, but also without wearing your nice leggings or loungewear that you can put on then when you get home from your nice long walk. So anyway, this is like a two-piece set. I'm pretty sure they had this material, this set with a different top, a crop top version, but I wanted the zip up jacket long sleeve one. Oh, I love that. So it's got them little cutouts for your thumb to go in, so they stay nice and long on your arms. I love that. So this is just a plain and simple zip up. It's got a bit of kind of ribbing detailing to it, kind of to silhouette your figure. And then the leggings are the exact same fabric, nice and high-waisted, and again in that beautiful kind of creamy beige colour, which I'm not gonna lie, I think this is a set that's not gonna like cover my bum, so I would probably, to go out in, would wear this as a set, and I'm talking real winter, and then this big Misguided jacket over the top, and then some nice walking boots or wellies. It's one of my favourite things to do, is go for a nice long countryside walk, especially with wellies. Don't you feel like when you've got wellies on, you feel like you could conquer the world? Any puddle, bring it on. Loads of leaves, I'm walking straight through them. I love that. Anyway, so this is the last and final set that I picked up. I got this set in a medium. So that is everything that I have picked up recently, and I wanted to share with you guys for you to keep your eyes peeled for any Black Friday offers. Again, do not forget to shop via TopCashback. It is literally a win-win, no-brainer. It's free to do. You've got an extra £15 bonus via my link in the description box. Before long, you'll be saving up those pennies so that you can treat yourself to a little something and reward yourself for being that savvy shopper that I know you guys are, because you watch my channel and I'm a bargain savvy shopper, so I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. Thank you once again to TopCashback for very kindly working with me on this video. I hope to see you all very, very soon in my next one. Bye guys.